Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling Kite Connect and obtaining your API key and secret. This is mandatory. Once done, fund your Zerodha account with the capital you will risk and install Python plus the Kite Connect package. Make sure to store credentials securely and generate an access token by logging in through the Kite Connect flow. These actions let you authenticate programmatically, so you can make live orders and fetch data. Now, prepare a folder for code, set up a virtual environment, and save your token handling function. You next write the core strategy and validate it. Pull historical OLK via Kite, resample to your trade timeframe, and implement entry, exit, and risk rules. Once built, backtest over a meaningful lookback period and compute CAGR, max drawdown, and win rate so you understand performance trade-offs. Make sure to include realistic slippage and brokerage assumptions. After that, add live simulation code that mirrors order placement calls so behavior matches production. If metrics pass your thresholds, prepare the real order functions. You deploy the bot to a reliable VPS, run it as a service, and ensure logs capture every order and error. Make sure to handle kite rate limits, renew access tokens automatically, and add a circuit breaker that halts trading on repeated failures or outsized drawdown. Monitor positions and PNL in real time and schedule daily health checks. If things go wrong, check API error codes, confirm token validity, and review logs. Most issues stem from expired tokens or exceeded rate limits, so renew tokens and back off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.